Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make glow effect in CapCut. So if you want to achieve the epic glow effect just like Duranto official in your videos, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a stunning glow effect to your videos and make them look professional and eye-catching. So here, what you need to do is just add videos or photos to your CapCut. And to start, you can go to the adjust options and now find the contrast and also saturation, lower it to -50, just like this. And find shadow, lower it to -20. You can click on a check icon, and if your video has more your project has more than one, you can apply it to all by dragging it down just like this. Okay, and now go back, find effects, video effects, and in here you can go to the retro category and tap on the GVC effect. So scroll down until you find this GVC effect. If you cannot find it in here, you can just click on the search bar at the top and find the effect. Okay, this one's right here. Click on effect, tap on adjust, and here you can follow my settings. So for the color, set it to 100, intensity 75, and the filter 25. Okay, go back, click on a check icon, and now don't forget to adjust it to all. You can go back and tap on adjust again, and in here you can find grabs. Now you can change the grabs to how you like it, so you can adjust it accordingly with your clip. So I'm going to go with this, like this. You can go back, and for the color you want to change, you can click on adjust cell and choose the color, set the hue to all. For example, you can just choose the color that you want to pop. For example, here I'm going to go with the orange color, set the hue to full, and adjust the saturations accordingly to your video. Here, for example, I'm going to go with this, and you can tap on check icon, and this is the final result. And so guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.